Let's go over the numbers from Tesla announcing Q2 numbers. Tesla is saying that it delivered 53,339 vehicles in the second quarter. That's a little more than most on Wall Street expect. Most on Wall Street were expecting the deliveries to come in somewhere around 50 to 51,000, although they were all over the place in terms of their estimates. So 53,339 is going to be viewed in a positive light. We talked earlier about the deliveries of the Model 3 hitting 5,000 per week for that final week of the second quarter, hitting the target the company had set there. Total Model 3 production came in at 28,578. That is a smidge more than most people on Wall Street were expecting. But perhaps the most newsworthy item in the announcement on quarterly deliveries from Tesla is the company saying that it expects to increase production of the Model 3s to 6,000 per week by late next month. And then the company reaffirming its guidance to be positive GAAP net income and cash flow positive in Q3 and Q4. So those are the numbers from Tesla, as well as a little bit of guidance from the company in terms of cash flow positive and profitability in the third and fourth quarter. Guys, back to you.
All right, yeah. Well, they worked awfully hard to get there, Phil. We know that, right? That third assembly line under a tent, I guess.
Yeah.
That got them there, huh?
Well, if they didn't have it, they wouldn't have made the 5,000 per week. And veterans of the auto industry, they're having a field day with it, saying that's not how you sustain production. But it's not going away, David. I mean, they are bursting at the seams at Fremont.
Yeah.
How about the shade thrown by Stephen Armstrong of Ford on Twitter? Phil, did you see that? Making fun of making 7,000 cars in 7 days. He said 7,000 cars in about 4 hours. Love Ford.
Yeah. He's got a point there. Ford's production is far more efficient, and this is nothing compared to the giant automakers. I should point out, and I mentioned this morning on Squawk, people who saw that, I talked with one person who said, that's fine. Where's Ford's market cap right now? What's Ford's stock been doing in the last year? Does he want to talk about that? So clearly the Tesla investors are going to fire back at anybody who takes a shot at that.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.